Namaste to all, dear all. Here I am with a new video relating to preparation of personal account or personal ledger account we call. This can be either debtors account or creditors account, or the same person may become debtor as well as creditor. This will come for 5 marks for inter students, inter first year students, and for degree students this may be asked for 4 marks as a short question, or they may include more number of transactions and give as a 12 marks question. So whether it is short question or long question we need to do. So don't think about the marks, think about the concept, and let us do this quickly. So if you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. How to prepare personal account के debit side credit side दो. Okay, you may prepare with other columns. If date is being given, date, particulars, okay, LF and amount debit side में. Credit side also date, particulars, LF and amount. Like this you can prepare. Just I am making it pro forma, so that is why all those things are not there, but generally one date column will be there. Okay, debit side to balance brought down. If that balance is due from or receivable from customer, due from or receivable from बोल के बोले तो if amount is receivable we will write debit side. మనకు డబ్బులు రావాలి అని అంటే డెబిట్ సైడ్లో రాస్తాం, డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ అన్నప్పుడు డెబిట్ సైడ్లో రాస్తాం. And if they say debtor, then also it start with the debit balance. Similarly, if balance is due to creditor or supplier, if balance is due to creditor or supplier, or amount is payable, if this give in the question, will write as by balance brought down this side. If it is receivable, debit. If it is payable, credit. For sales, only credit sales, no cash transactions will come in this. So to sales, credit sale will be recorded on the debit side. If sales are recorded debit side, obviously purchases will be recorded on the credit side. So buy purchases on the credit side. If any goods are sold to that person, you will write in that person's account debit side. If you have purchased from him, you will write credit side. And sales returns, by sales returns. If it is purchase return, then purchase returns on the debit side. Okay, hope you are understanding. Next, cash if any received. Okay, for cash receipts, by receipts you will write, डेटर है आपको पैसे दे रहा तो इधर आएगा, क्योंकि व्हेन यू रिसीव कैश, कैश अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड एंड पर्सन फ्रॉम हुम यू हैव रिसीव्ड. सपोज राम से रिसीव करा तो कैश अकाउंट टू राम अकाउंट. राम अकाउंट में कैश किधर आएगा? क्रेडिट साइड में. दैट इज वाई बाय कैश रिसीव्ड क्रेडिट साइड. एंड चेक इफ एनी रिसीव बाय बैंक यू विल राइट क्रेडिट साइड. Similarly, if you are paying to your creditor, to cash. If you are issuing a check, to bank. Okay, hope you are understanding. If any bills receivable is received from him, bills receivable, by bills receivable you will write. If you are paying through bills payable, then bills payable will be on the debit side. Okay, next, check इश्यूड एंड डिसऑनर. चेक इश्यू करे तो डेबिट साइड में, वो चेक डिसऑनर हुआ क्रेडिट साइड. व्हाट वी नीड टू राइट? बाय बैंक वी नीड टू राइट, बाय बैंक वी नीड टू राइट फॉर चेक डिसऑनर. सिमिलरली చెక్ जो రిసీవ్ हुआ, ఇఫ్ ఎనీ చెక్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ రిసీవ్డ్, మనకు చెక్ వచ్చింది, అది ఏమైంది? డిజానర్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ రిసీవింగ్ చెక్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ డిజానర్, దెన్ check received dishonor will be on the debit side, to bank you will write. Okay. Similarly, discount received on the debit side, discount allowed will be on the credit side. And if end of the period, if any balance still due, by balance carried down you will write. Okay, from anything is still receivable. If we need to pay him, then to balance brought down, carried down, it should be, by mistake she wrote brought down. To balance carried down will be your closing balance. So total कर देते, debit side and credit side, balance if any you will write. If there is no balance, that will be either paid by check or draft, then you will write by bank, and if any discount is there, that you will write by discount at this time. Okay. Similarly, if you need to pay to them and you have paid them, at the end of the period you will write here on the debit side to cash or bank for payment. Any discount is received, to discount received, for full and final settlement you will write. Okay. Please remember this note. Okay, ये note याद रखना. Cash sales or purchases will not be recorded in personal ledger account. Credit purchases and sales will come under this. Okay, please remember, that's it. Okay, सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. इससे रिलेटेड एक दो प्रॉब्लम मैं आपको अपलोड कर देता हूँ, सो दैट यू कैन हैव द क्लैरिटी अबाउट हाउ टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम आल्सो. तब तक के लिए, इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, दोस्तों तक पहुँचा दो, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग. जय हिंद.